Hello and welcome to your third Java tutorial. Today we are going to be learning what we just wrote last tutorial. Last tutorial we wrote a little bit of code and we ran the program and we stopped. So you probably didn't get what you wrote. So this tutorial I'm going to show you what you wrote and explain what you did. So go ahead and open up Eclipse. I already have it open. So here, you're gonna have here your public class bacon. Now, what this means is that every single Java program starts off with a public class. Public class something. Your class can be anything ranging from apples to bacon, from army to navy, whichever. It can even, your public class can even be something. Like you can type in something and that would qualify as a class. So, but every program has to start out with a class. Now, once you've had your class, within these curly brackets that you have, you want to type in your method. Now what your method is, what the most frequently used method is this method, which is public static void main parentheses string arg square brackets, and then you have a curly bracket to the right after that. Now pause the video and take like a minute to memorize every single word in this line, in the second line. And this is the most important because you can't write anything at all without this. Like in Java's pretty picky. So if you don't have a bracket like that, you can't. Look at this. All these errors start popping up. So you have to have everything exact. So you have public static void and then main. Now the main means to start here. So if you don't have the main, it doesn't know where to start. It's completely lost and it won't write anything at the bottom. And here, your string args and all this stuff is your method. The whole second line is your method. Now, on the third line, we have system.out.println parentheses quotation marks hello earthling. Now, system is your computer, and out.println is you're telling it to print it out on a line. Pretty simple, right? Self-explanatory. And here, whatever you want the computer to say, you put it in brackets and in quotation marks. And I said, hello earthling. Now, you could say, hello earthling, I want to kill you. Not very nice alien. So you can do that, and then to run this program, they'll say, hello earthling, I want to kill you. Not a nice alien. So you have this, and whatever you want to write, whatever you want the computer to say, you write it within the quotation marks. And almost in every line of code, you're gonna have something like a parentheses, a bracket, or most of the time a semicolon. What the semicolon means is to stop the line of code, and so the computer can read the next line of code, and so on and so on. And these two brackets that are facing the left, you're going to have a certain amount of these at the end of every program. Depending on the program you have, you could have 2, or you could have 4, or you could have 5, or you could have 35. It doesn't matter. It depends on how much code you write and what's within your code. So, that's basically all you need to know about what we just wrote. So, congratulations, nice job, and join me next tutorial.